Okay, so now we're going to talk about milestone 2. First thing, this is the same topic as your journal, your first journal, and your milestone 1, and you're still assessing that same primary article. So this section 2 is about the primary article still. You're looking at the bias. You're asking yourself, does the author present pros and cons and gives each equal time? So if he gives 40 pros and 2 cons, it's not exactly even. So you need to look into a lot of little details. Again, you need to give me examples from the primary article and be really clear on what your final decision is. Some students like to go a little wishy-washy. I need a final decision. Is it bias or is it not bias? Credibility, this is the one that takes a little bit of time. You really do need to go through all the resources, look at them, ask yourself, are these articles credible? Are the authors credible? And you also want to look at the author of your primary article. Is this person actually an authority on this topic? Okay. Now, part 3 is where you get to work on your counter argument. So you're no longer assessing an argument. Now you are presenting your own argument. First of all, you want to make certain that you have multiple premises, and you also want to make sure you have multiple sources, okay? And you want to give equal time to each of your sources and each of your premises. You want to look at the logic and reasoning of your own argument and find weaknesses with it, okay? And it's okay because you can fix all that before you go to your final paper. Weaknesses, again, it's okay. If you admit your weaknesses, that's good. This is philosophy. We do that all the time. And finally, you want to tie back to your original bias on the topic, okay? And again, with the worksheet, you can choose either or. You don't have to do the fill in the blank and the outline. You can do either or. It's perfectly fine. Keep in mind, this is going to be the rubric I'm going to be using. Notice it really is clear what I'm looking for, because if you look over not evident or needs improvement, it's really clear what I need to see. And key is the counter argument should be the majority of part 3. I really want to see that you can develop your own argument and defend your own argument as well. Okay,